Hello everyone. Hi, this is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to answer your simple question. What is a loan? Well, a loan is a source of funds which you require to pay off any financial need that you have, right? So whether you want to buy a house, whether you want to buy a car, a bike, you want to pay for your child's education, for your own education, your marriage, medical expenses, whatever financial responsibilities you have, if you don't have the capital or if you don't have funds with you to pay for those, financial goals, then you usually go ahead and take a loan, right? Loan gives you a lump sum amount which you can use to, towards any of your financial needs. And every loan comes with a rate of interest, right? So the rate of interest is predetermined for a specific period of time. For example, let's say, you are taking a personal loan for taking a domestic vacation, and you're taking a loan of, let's say, 1 lakh rupees. Then that loan would be at a predetermined interest rate of, let's say, 15% per annum, right? There are also loans that have floating interest rates, which means, for example, let's say home loans, they have floating interest rates. You can opt for a floating interest rate where the interest rate can go down or it can increase, based on the market conditions. But for most of the time of the loan, the interest rates are kind of fixed, right? So you have to repay the loan in small affordable installments, right, with interest over a period of time, right? So based on the rate of interest, you will have to pay the principal amount plus the interest over a period of time. Let's take a simple example. Let's say you want to buy a car that costs you 10 lakh rupees, right? And you don't have that much bank balance, but you have, let's say, 1 lakh in your hand towards down payment, right? So you go ahead and, put that down payment. You get a loan of 9 lakh rupees. Let's say you get it for 5 years, right, at an interest rate of 7% per annum. Let's you're paying only 1 lakh upfront, and you're paying 17,000 rupees, 70,821 rupees every month for the next 5 years, right, as an EMI or an equated monthly installment towards repaying your loan, right? It is always advised that don't keep any debt on your hand, right? So if you have any, let's say you get a bonus or towards the end of the year, right, you should try to repay the principal amount or try to pay the loan as quickly as possible, right? So your EMI can be reduced if you're repaying the loan, right, at the time of repayment. You could either reduce the EMI amount that you're paying every month, or you could, reduce the loan period for how long you have taken the loan, right? So loans are usually provided by banks, NBFCs, non-banking financial corporations, for a specific period, for a specific purpose, at a specific rate of interest, right, which is mentioned right at the outset when you are taking a loan, right? All you need to do is make sure that you have all the documentation in place, all your papers for verification, and make sure that you're paying the EMI on time once you have availed the loan, right? So that will help you to improve your credit score. So just to summarize, loan is a specific amount which you take for any financial need that you have, right? Whether it's buying a car, a house, education, or a, vacation, right? And you need to repay the loan on a monthly basis in EMIs, right, for the entire period till, the loan amount is outstanding, right? So do let us know if you have any debt on you, and how do you plan to, take care of the debt or the loans that you have. How do you plan to repay the loans? How quickly do you want to repay the loans? Are you having any problems repaying your loans? Just let us know, and we will try to respond back to each and every comment that we get below this video.